everyone, welcome to the China New Energy Lecture. Today's spotlight, Jetour Traveler. Built to conquer the world, the ultimate off-road SUV. Nearly 4.8 meters long, over 2 meters wide. Bold and boxy design, tough from every angle. Powered by a 2.0T L4 engine, delivering 254 horsepower. Smoke black grille and classic round LED headlights. Professional off-road tires with all-terrain adaptive system. 220mm ground clearance, ready for all terrain. Step inside. The 15.6 inches touch screen commands attention. 12.3 inches full LCD dashboard. All the info you need, clearly displayed. Power adjustment with ventilation and heating. Comfort on the go. A massive 1.1 square meter panoramic sunroof, views without limits. 360-degree panoramic view and 180-degree transparent chase. Multiple passive safety system, protection that travels with you. Qualcomm Snapdragon 8155 chip, 7 driving modes for all terrains. Hello Jetour.
Please say it.
Smart voice assistant, respond in seconds. Control windows, navigation and music, all by voice. Jetour Traveler, more than a car, it's your all-terrain friends. Smartly drive the future, connect the world. We are Yue International Treat. Want to see a specific car? Comments below.